Are you struggling to get your videos noticed on this ever-growing platform? Standing out can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. But don't worry, because here at Plann, we've got your back. Today, I'm going to share with you our top 5 strategies for how to stand out on TikTok and skyrocket your views. But first, let's discuss why views matter on TikTok. With countless videos competing for attention, capturing your audience's interest is essential. More views signal to the TikTok algorithm that your content is relevant and engaging. And this then increases your chances of being seen by a broader audience. So, how can you boost your TikTok views? Let's explore 5 simple yet effective strategies. Tip number 1 is to stick to a schedule. Consistency is the backbone of success when it comes to TikTok. By maintaining a regular posting schedule, you have the opportunity to showcase your work, express who you are, and build trust with your audience. To maintain a consistent schedule, it's really important that you plan ahead. Set aside dedicated time each week to brainstorm content ideas, create a content calendar, and schedule your posts in advance. Using a tool like Plann can help you schedule your posts way ahead of time, ensuring a steady flow of content without that last-minute scrambling. Tip number 2 is to produce engaging TikTok videos. Engaging content is essential on TikTok. It keeps viewers hooked, builds your audience, and drives interactions. It's a crucial element for building brand awareness and also driving conversions. To create engaging content, you really need to first understand your audience's interests. Once you know that, you can really tailor the content to what they're loving. If you're not quite sure, then don't be afraid to experiment here. You can explore with different content styles like behind the scenes content or tutorials. Make sure to also include some humor and to stay on top of trends, because that's what's really going to boost your visibility. For example, let's say you're a real estate agent. You can do things like showcase property walkthroughs, share tips for home buyers, and provide insights on the local housing market. And don't forget to not be afraid to add some humor in here and also experiment with the trends that you're seeing. By consistently producing this fun and engaging content, you're not only going to attract more of an audience, but showcase your expertise and also attract new potential followers and clients. And just a quick tip here, if you need help understanding what's trending on TikTok, you can actually find this on Plann. We update the trending sounds each week in your Plann workspace, and so go here and get inspired. Tip number 3 is to build your TikTok community. Building your TikTok community and really putting a lot of time and energy there is the thing that's really going to grow your audience's loyalty to your content. And in return, this is going to increase your engagement rates. A great way to build your community is to actually encourage user-generated content, which is content that your followers or clients actually create that you then repost or repurpose. And this is a great way to show the value of your product and to build that relationship with your clients and show them that you care about the content they create around your brand. Another way to build your community on TikTok is to make sure you're constantly engaging with your followers. So whenever they leave questions or comments, make sure you're responding to them. No one likes to be left unread. Now, I'll actually include a link in the description below all about getting started with user-generated content, so go ahead and check that out if you want some more information here. Tip number 4 is to explore paid advertising. Paid advertising on TikTok can be a powerful tool to help you reach a broader audience. To get started with paid advertising on TikTok, you're first going to want to get familiar with their different advertising options. This includes in-feed ads, branded effects, and hashtag challenges. Determine your advertising objectives and your target audience, and then go ahead and create some compelling ads that really align with your future target audience and that showcase your brand. Let's pretend you're an artist or illustrator that really wants to showcase and draw attention to your newest collection. You could go ahead and create an in-feed ad that showcases your artwork in action. You could also collaborate with TikTok influencers or participate in a hashtag challenge. Either way, all of these options are a great idea to amplify your reach and engage with a larger audience. Tip number 5 is to work with your stats. Understanding your TikTok stats is absolutely absolutely essential. Dive into your TikTok insights. Don't be afraid of them. Here you're going to find so many valuable insights, including your audience demographics, engagement metrics, and performance trends. By analyzing all these engagement metrics, such as shares, comments, likes, you're really going to better understand what's working and what's not. From there, you can identify certain trends in your content and then replicate what is performing well. And knowing your stats is really going to help you make data-driven decisions around what to do next to really grow your brand and harness new engagement. Now that you've learned these 5 strategies, you're more than equipped to take your TikTok game to the next level. But I have even more resources for you down below on how to grow and skyrocket your TikTok. So go ahead and check that out in the description below. And until next time, happy planning.